I got some potato chips. Tortilla chips, actually, for $1. Which is pretty good. And we're going to try them out. It's the unboxing. This. These are Dollar General store chips. Tortilla chips. As you can see, they cost $1. I've never had them before. I don't know how good they're going to be. But we had some leftover salsa. And I thought, well, might as well give it a try. You got a pretty good crunch to them. They're definitely crunchy. And they taste like every other tortilla chip that there is. I don't know who makes this stuff. This is like, it's obviously off-brand, whatever. But for all I know, Doritos could be making this for them. And leaving out, you know, 3% of the flour that they would use in the Doritos. They don't taste bad. They're not bad. I would recommend them, I guess. I'll tell you this, I'm going to sit here and eat some more. I'll see you guys later.